I am so excited to open this box. I can't hardly stand it. If you want to see what's in here and why I have it, then stick around because I'm going to open it up. Hi all, Tina here. Welcome to Beautiful Journey. I am part of a 12-person collaboration, The Flavors, Scents, and Colors of Christmas. This collaboration was put together by Gloria from Beauty After 50. Thank you, Gloria, for allowing me to participate. And the idea here is that she paired us up with a partner, and my partner is Susan from Susan's Just Making It. And then I sent Susan a box of things that were the flavors, scents, and colors of Christmas, and she sent me a box. And I have had this for about a week now, but I had other things to do before I could get to it. And now it's time. Oh my goodness, there is so much in here. First of all, there's a card with some stickers on it. And it is, oh, there's stuff inside. It says, handmade with love just for you. So she made this card. Isn't that cute? With the reindeer on it. And it's kind of raised up a little bit. So cute. And then it's got stickers in here. Hi Tina, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy the box of gifts I put together for you. I loved shopping for you. It was fun. If there happens to be something that you don't like or can't use, feel free to pass it along. Wishing you and your family the best, Susan. Very sweet. She has a little card about her channel, and it says, Susan's Just Making It, Stuff, Messes, Chaos Through Life. And she says that when she does her videos. Thank you. And her socials are on there as well. I will, of course, have Susan's channel and a link to her video down below. I will also have a link to the playlist with everyone's video. So if you're nosy and like seeing what people get in boxes, then you can go watch them all. Some of them will be doing giveaways. Not everyone is. And so if you're going to enter their giveaways, you need to make sure that you abide by the rules that they have set. I love decorating with snowmen rather than strictly Christmas things, because then if you leave them up all winter, it doesn't matter because, you know, snowmen work all winter long. So we've got a snow globe and a frosty, Merry Christmas, and then just another snowman. Very nice. Love those. So on top here, I see some sheet masks, and I was actually getting really low, so this is perfect. There are 2 packages of eye masks. They're both Grace and Stella. Love them. They are so good. And then there's a Cream Shop Bouncy Skin. This one actually looks like the little bear. So cute. A vitamin C collagen essence mask. That's for brightening, and those are great when your skin just feels kind of dull and needs just a little oomph. There's a cooling and refreshing peppermint face mask. That sounds amazing for when you're just kind of tired and need a pick-me-up. And then this cherry blossom mask, moisture revitalizing and skin toning. And this, I bet, smells amazing. I love the smell of cherry blossom. So, oh, and then everything in here is wrapped up in tissue, so it's like Christmas. I will probably edit out the unwrap rustling because I know if you're wearing earbuds, that can be a little loud sometimes. So I will unwrap it and then show you what I got. This is a little wall hanging, Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy, and this is perfect because I have not yet shopped for my background to change it out for Christmas. I plan to do that on Thanksgiving weekend, and I only have a couple of things, so I will plan to use this in my background. Another one, Let It Snow, and again, something like this can stay up even when Christmas is over, so I really appreciate that. And this is pretty, and I'm guessing with Susan's Just Making It that she probably made these, and they are so cute. Susan, let me know down in the comments if you made these, because I think this looks like the technique you did with the black paint and the wax on the little stands that you made. And you can bet that I'm going to be saving this tissue paper, and it's going to show up in family gifts this Christmas. My kids are like, Mom, just throw it away. It's cheap and you can buy more, but it seems so wasteful. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's got this snowflake, and then there's a stiff wire here that holds onto it, and then the snowman, and you can hang. I love snowmen. I don't really like snow very much to actually go out in it, but I love snowmen to decorate with. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love him. So cute. Oh, I think I had him backwards because this side of the snowflake is actually painted and the other side's not, so it actually goes that way. Susan, these are adorable. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. These are so cute. These are leather ornaments and oh, so neat. Holiday time leather ornaments. Love them. They will look so cute on my tree. I do kind of an old-fashioned tree with, you know, the stuff the kids made when they were little and in kindergarten and Sunday school. And then some wooden ornaments when my boys were into a scroll saw phase and just that kind of tree decoration. So these will fit in perfectly. I am running out of room on my desk for this stuff. Okay, these are super cute. This is a family of deer. And I remember one of the videos of Susan's I was watching just recently, she had gotten a flocked deer from the thrift store. And she mentioned that she doesn't know why, but she just really loves deer. And this is so cute. There's the buck and the doe and the fawn in that. And I'm going to leave them in their little box so that I don't break them. But in a little scene where you have some like fake snow and these deer, it would be so cute. And there's a candle. Holiday balsam, and it does smell like a Christmas tree. I like it. Very nice. A candy shot glass. It says sweet and fun to eat, lick it, refill it, and eat it. A little ASMR for you. Okay, it is literally a candy cane shot glass. How fun is that? So you can put your shot in there and then you can just kind of nibble on the glass. Love it. So much fun. I don't do shots very often, however, because I'm really kind of more of a wine kind of girl than shots, but I love candy canes. Another very cute wreath made out of beads, and this is adorable. And little acorns. Do you see the little acorns there? My background is going to be styling, I'm telling you, but some of this is going out in the living room too. I finally broke down last year and got an artificial Christmas tree. Are you on team real or team artificial? Let me know down in the comments below. We have always gone out onto our property and cut down a cedar tree. And I say always from the time that we've moved to the farm until just last year. We took the kids out, we found a tree, they fought over which one was the best, and we would bring it home, but we would have to do it just like a few days before Christmas because they dry out and they drop needles, and then you can't leave them up very long. Well, everybody's kind of got their own thing now. The 3 older kids have moved out, and it's gotten harder and harder to get everybody together to get the tree. So last year I broke down and I bought an artificial tree. I didn't buy a pre-lit one because they're more expensive for one thing, and then when the lights go out you just kind of have a brick there. So I still put my own lights on it, but it was really nice to be able to leave it up and not have to worry about it dropping needles or becoming dangerous. And I'm also excited because I plan to get it out the Saturday after Thanksgiving and decorate it and have it up longer and enjoy it longer. But one thing I do miss is the smell of fresh cedar when we would have the fresh tree there. So I can put my new candle in the living room and still have the smell of a Christmas tree without all of the needles everywhere. We're getting there, but believe it or not, there's still more in here, and I'm feeling a little bad because Susan did more than I did. Oh, this is so cute. So simple, but so pretty and elegant. A wooden box with the back painted black and then this snowflake stenciled on there. Very pretty. Thank you. This is heavy. Oh, it's a hand soap, and it's Morning Crisp Air. She taped up the spout so that it wouldn't leak, but I want to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. It is very winter morning crisp, and it has a little bit of a minty smell to it too, so that's really nice. I have one more thing in here. This is Lurella Under the Mistletoe, and I think it's a palette. I have not heard of Lurella. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at those soft greens and golds. Susan, this is so pretty. Oh, thank you so much. My goodness. This was awesome. Okay, I can't wait to use this because I don't know how she knew because I really didn't tell her. But I have wanted a palette that has these lime kind of greens in it. And I almost bought the ColourPop in the Limelight, but I didn't, and then it wasn't available anymore. And I decided, I don't really need just a lime palette because I probably wouldn't wear it very often. But this is so pretty. Thank you, Susan. This is just perfect. And I like that it has a little bit of the more muted greens as well, so you don't always have to go, wow. But I am going to plan a video using this because I think this would make a really pretty Christmas look. So that is my flavors, scents, and colors of Christmas gift from Susan at Susan's Just Making It, and I'm blown away, Susan. This is fabulous, and you went above and beyond, and I will use everything in here and enjoy it. I hope that you enjoy what I sent you and that you have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you to all of you who've watched me open my gift. Let me know down in the comments, what was the favorite thing that I opened from Susan? Please make sure that you go down and click on that playlist and check out all the other ladies in this collaboration. In addition to Gloria, Beauty After 50, and my partner Susan from Susan's Just Making It, we have Life with Christine, Real Life with Hope, Katie's Corner of the World, Lori's Life, Unboxing Discovery by G, Beautifying MZ, Jennifer Loves Makeup, Blessed GMP, and Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and more. They are all amazing and wonderful, and I'm so glad to know them. During all of the hustle and bustle of Christmas, I hope that we'll all take time to stop and reflect and spend time with those we love, and to remember the reason that we celebrate Christmas, and that is the birth of Christ our Savior. Have a beautiful, blessed day and a beautiful, blessed Christmas season. Bye-bye. So that is, ow, I just pulled my hair out, closing the palette.